shipping track a pod of belugas. Now, once you're clear for launch, the lights will go out as we transfer power from the facility to your craft. And the pilot will spark up the engines and do a final systems check, and then you'll be on your way. Now, remember, what awaits you today isn't just a flight path. It's a passage through a living system. Have a great expedition. Hope to see you out here in the field.
Auxiliary power activated. Welcome aboard rotor 9052. This is your captain speaking. Set vision deck to pilot position. Prepare for a blackout as we divert power to the UX-4 and fire up the engines. Okay, ground Alpha and Bravo engaged. Tower, we have information, Juliet, and are ready for departure heading 270. 10-4, prepare to spool up prop Charlie and Delta. All right, motor start complete. Set vision deck to launch position.
Rotor 9052, you are clear for remote launch.
Full power transfer achieved. Docking ring detached. We are clear for takeoff.